Fourth foul on Prince, first in the quarter. Lowry hits a three.
Rudy sitting in that dunker spot, just waiting for the lob dunk to happen.
Oh, Strus. A lot of real estate in front of him and connects on a three. We're all tied at 87. No, Gobert pulls down the board. He was hit in the face and was stripped by Lowry. And Gobert is still on the floor as Dedmon gets a flush on the other end. Pass inside, Gobert kicks it out. No field goal attempts tonight for Gobert. Edwards. Oh, we got Kane in the air, knocks down the J. Strus. No, tip in by Caleb Martin. Russell over to Towns. Extra pass, Edwards three, yes! Bodies everywhere, Strus comes away with it. Miami with numbers, Martin the lay-in. Move from homeless to hopeful. 1 for 2 at the line for Towns. Strus driving, layup good. Back to Towns. Towns, the step back to Edwards. Oh, we got Martin spinning, and he connects! Another highlight for Edwards. 22 on the night for Ant. Lowry, tough dump off, and it's a turnover. Edwards running. Over to McDaniels for three. Boom! Wolves holding on to a 2-point advantage. The pull-up, Adebayo ties it. No resistance. Edwards, 10 on the shot clock. Russell, mid-range J, good! 2 for 2 for Gobert. Strus pulls it down. Miami will have to act quickly. Heat haven't scored on the last 5 possessions. Lowry ends that streak with the lay-in.
Go on, Rudy. Ice on the veins, baby.
Under the basket. Lowry to work it in. Don't foul a three-point shooter. Adebayo misses again. And the Wolves come all the way back. They trail it by 15.